Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like several weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis about 24 hours ago, so that is where the green line here are coming from. And if you did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about how the price was currently at a very important level around this green line here. And it was actually a cruel little joke that the bulls played on the bears, because for a very short amount of time, but still it did indeed happen, the price was actually down below this green line here, which made sense that, hey, are the bears getting ready to continue things on down? But like I said, that's where the cruel joke comes into play, because it was almost like the bull said, no, just kidding, and then the price just came bouncing back very nicely right now. And as I speak right now, the price is up around this area of the chart. Remember, cryptos are open 24/7, so even if you're watching this video several hours from now, the chart may look a little bit different, but that's why I'm going to talk about more so broader levels on the chart. That way, that no matter at what point you watch, just assuming it's within the the next 24 hours, the chart will still remain relevant. So as it stands right now, nothing new from a support standpoint. 7,400 was very important in yesterday's video, and it still remains that key level of support. Meaning, if you're coming back and watching this video 18 hours from now, and all of a sudden the price is down below 7,400, that's a sign that things, aren't looking so good. But as it stands right now, the price is well up above there. So let's see how things unfold from here. Now, as far as levels of resistance, I do want to add in a level here, given that the price has started to make a nice upwards move. So over the next 24 hours, I don't think it's out of the realm of possibility at all that the price could potentially get up here and test that. And that level is up there at 77.60. If you go take a quick gander down memory lane, you can see right here several times over the past few days the price has been up around that area, just not been able to push through. So 77.60, definitely that key level to keep an eye on over the next 24 hours. Once more, if you're back watching this 8 hours from now and the price is blasted up above 77.60, well then from a bullish point of view, that would be some very positive price action that is going in your favor. So nice recovery from yesterday, basically 24 hours from now, from when the price was hovering down here around here, got the nice bounce. Now it's just kind of a question of, can the bulls build upon the bounce? So let's see if not only if the price can stay above 7,400, but maybe even get up closer to 77.60. The next 24 hours should be pretty interesting. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.